Hello everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I will be trying out some of Burt's Bee new launches. Well, these actually have been out for a while, it's just that I didn't get around to filming it until now, and these will be some of the products that I will be using. The products were sent to me for a review from Topbox and Burt's Bee, so I have no control over the shades or if any of the color matches me. I believe that most people should know the brand Burt's Bee, and if you don't know, it is an American company that produces natural personal care products such as soap, candles, skincare, makeup, and more. Their best-selling product is the lip balm, which is also one of my favorite products from them. In this video, we will be going over mostly Burt's Bee makeup products. What stands out about Burt's Bee is that all of their products are made from nature. They aim for 100% natural origin formulas, but you can rest assured that their products are over 95% natural origin. They do not test on animals, and the packaging is made from recycled material, which are all things I support. I find that their products tends to be more on the affordable side. Now, with that said, let's get started on the makeup. The first product I'm going to start off with is the Goodness Glow Tinted Moisturizer. The shade I received is 2015 Buff, which is the second lightest shade out of the 6 shades that they currently carry. I personally don't use a tinted moisturizer often, but it is good for those who want a natural look or something lightweight on their skin. Since this is a tinted moisturizer, it offers very light coverage and is also very sheer. It blends nicely with your natural skin color, so it looks like you have nothing on. I took a little bit on my finger and spreading it evenly all over my face. This is a great alternative to foundation for those days when you don't want to wear a lot of makeup and you just want to put something on your face that feels comfortable. The one thing that I don't like about this moisturizer is that it does not have any SPF, so if you are going outside, you should apply SPF prior to using this product. Then I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend the product out. You don't need to use a primer with this, so that is an extra step saved for days when you are in a rush to get out the door. There is a slight sense, but it doesn't bother me. I'm just going back in with more product. I know that a lot of people wear tinted moisturizer alone, as it is a foundation that contains a moisturizer. I like the extra bit of hydration, so I always apply a moisturizer before I use a tinted moisturizer. Plus, it also gives your face that extra glow. You can see that this tinted moisturizer is very sheer, and you can see some of my redness coming through and a little bit of uneven skin tone. It is comforting to know that this naturally tinted moisturizer will nourish your skin with vitamins and antioxidant, so you don't have to worry about any ingredients that will harm your skin. This tinted moisturizer doesn't feel greasy at all, and it does give a little bit of hydration, but I would still put a moisturizer underneath. This tinted moisturizer is very sheer, and if you want, you can use a little bit of spot concealer to conceal any of the little imperfections, but I'm just going to leave it the way it is and see how it goes. The next product that I will be trying out is the Defining Eyeliner. I have 2 shades, which are 1440 Onyx and 1475 Mulberry. The thing I like about this eyeliner is that it is retractable, so you don't need a sharpener. That is pretty handy. This is great for on the go, and you can take it on vacation with you. The first color I'm going to try is Mulberry. I actually filmed this on a different day, so I'm going to insert a clip. This eyeliner is 100% natural and is formulated without harmful ingredients and synthetic fragrance. So this means anyone with sensitive eyes or wear contact lenses can safely use this eyeliner. This eyeliner contains ingredients like jojoba oil, shea butter, and natural ingredients to help nourish the skin while adding that pop of color. This is a pretty color if you just want a pop of color on your eyelid. Now I'm going to use the eyeliner in Onyx, but before I do that, I'm going to put some eyeshadow on and I'll be right back. Now that I put on a tiny bit of eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with this Defining Eyeliner to line my eyes. This is your typical black eyeliner. To apply this eyeliner, I'm going to twist the bottom until I see just the tip of the product. It is important not to over twist the bottom and expose too much of the products, as this can break the tip of the pencil, which is what happened to me. So again, I'm using the tip of the pencil to apply to my inner corner and working my way outwards, trying to stay as close as I can to the lash line. I'm using light feather-like stroke to create a solid line. This type of eyeliner can't create a sharp wing look like the liquid liner, but it still does a pretty close job. You can create a subtle eye look with this eyeliner. Because it has a creamy texture, you can smoke it out a little bit to create a bit of a smoky eye look. This is a product that I would not put on my bottom waterline as it is not waterproof or smudge proof. If I rub my eyes or tear a little bit, it will look messy. If I'm just working in an office, I usually prefer a non-waterproof eyeliner as it can come off easily with water. You should use an eye makeup remover to remove any eye makeup. This is the final eye look. I didn't feel any burning, so that's a good thing. And this is a very subtle look. Once you are done with the eyeliner, don't forget to put back on the cap so that it prevents the eyeliner from drying out. To finish off the look, I'm going to use this Volumizing mascara. Before putting on mascara, I'm just gonna curl my lashes first. I have naturally straight lashes, so I always have to curl my lashes before I apply mascara. The website suggests to allow each coat to dry for 20 to 30 seconds and repeat with a second or third coat as needed. Since this mascara is 100% natural, it is not waterproof. I actually prefer that sometimes as I don't like to work so hard getting off my mascara at the end of the day. Of course, if I go somewhere that has a humid weather, I prefer a waterproof mascara as I don't like to look like I got punched in the eyes as the day progresses. It did give my lashes some volume, but not as much as compared to other mascaras I've tried before. I would say that Burt's Bee mascara is a very good price for what you get. It contains jojoba oil and beeswax that will help nourish, condition, and strengthen your lashes. I would say that this mascara is easy to use like any other mascara. It did not run, clump, or flake. And like the eyeliner, it is also safe on sensitive eyes. Before I start applying any lipsticks, I'm going to hydrate my lips. And I currently have 2 of Burt's Bee lip balm. One is the Pomegranate Moisturizing Lip Balm, which leaves a fuchsia tint on your lip, and the other is Flavour Crystal Lip Balm in the flavor Sweet Orange. I will be using the Sweet Orange Lip Balm because this one doesn't leave a color on your lips. I usually just put on a regular lip balm as opposed to a fruity flavor lip balm before applying a lipstick, but I only have the flavored lip balm from Burt's Bee and I'm trying to stick with the theme. I actually purchased these lip balms myself. There will be 2 shades of the matte sticks that I will be trying on. One is 425 Buttery Blush and the other is 475 Liquid Honey. The first color I will be trying is Buttery Blush. I actually also filmed this one on a different day, so I will insert a clip. Burt's Bee claimed that the matte stick should go on smoothly, leaving the lips soft and never dry. It should deliver the right amount of color and hydrate the lips at the same time. This is a very subtle pink shade that I can wear every day to work if and when it is safe to go back. This is a very natural color and I find that it's more on the natural side, which fits well with the Burt's Bee brand. It feels velvety on the lips and is not drying. The second color that I will be trying is 475 Liquid Honey, which is described as a nude caramel hue. Knowing that this lipstick nourishes your lips and adding color at the same time is very comforting. This is a beautiful shade for the fall and it looks more like a brickish brown color to me. They do definitely feel lightweight and provide medium coverage. I'm not sure about long lasting as I haven't had a chance to wear them out for the whole day due to the pandemic. I am the type of person who doesn't fuss over reapplying lipstick, so that's something I don't mind doing. It makes me feel better that these are 100% natural. I only have 2 colors, but they are available in 10 other shades. This is a very natural shade and I find it pretty close to my natural lip color. I don't think this product is as hydrating as Burt's Bee claim it to be. I would still put a lip balm underneath if you're just wearing it alone. If I'm doing a bold look, these wouldn't be my go-to lipsticks. I would choose something that is more pigmented. To finish off the look, I'm going to use the Burt's Bee lip gloss. Ingredients to highlight in this lip gloss includes avocado oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, and vitamin E to nourish and soothe the lips. This gloss offers a very sheer coverage, which is perfect to go on top of a lipstick, and I think it's safe to apply on top of a brown nude lipstick color. For a more natural look, you can also wear this alone. If I were to wear this lipstick alone, I find that it doesn't provide enough hydration, but when I put this lip gloss on top, it made my lips feel a little bit better and more hydrating. And this is the final look. I find that Burt's Bee makeup tends to be more on the natural side. I feel like I'm not really wearing any makeup. Let me know what your thoughts are about these Burt's Bee products in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!